Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to my Topper Student channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of mathematics and computer science for OE level past paper. Today we shall discuss question number 5 of paper 6 probability and statistics session October number 2018. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please use this word my topper student. You will find the channel my topper student. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. For online help, please contact on this WhatsApp number. In paper 6 probability and statistics session October number 2018, we shall discuss question number 5. In question number 5, the Quivers Akari Club has 12 junior members and 20 senior members. For the junior members, the mean age is 15.5 years and the standard deviation of the age is 1.2 years. The age of the senior members are summarized by summation y equal to 910 and summation y square equal to 42850, where y is the age of the senior member in the years. Part 1, find the mean age of all 32 members of the club. Now we shall find out the mean age of 32 members of the club, because the total members of the club are 32, containing junior member and the senior members. Now we shall find out the mean age of 32 members. In the special section, first of all, the number of junior members n equal to 12 as given in the question statement. 12. Junior member of 12. The mean age of the junior members are 15.5 as given in the question statement. Mean age x bar equal to 15.5 years. We know that from the formula of the statistics, x bar equal to summation x over n. So summation x equal to x bar into n. Total age of the junior members are summation x into x bar into n. X bar is as given is equal to 15.5 and n is equal to 12. So the total age for the junior members are 186 years. Now age of the senior members are 9 summation y equal to 910 as given in the question statement. This one 910. Total age of the 32 members are summation x and plus summation y, as we have calculated in the above steps. Summation x is equal to 186 and summation y equal to 916. The total age for the junior and the senior members are 1096. As there are 32 total members including the junior and the senior, so we shall divide it by n. We get 34.25 years. So the average age of the 32 members of the club are 34.25 years. In the part B, find the standard deviation of the age of our 32 members of the club. Now we shall find out the standard deviation of the age of all 32 members of the club. In the solution section, first of all, the standard deviation of the junior members are as given in the question statement is 1.2. We know that the formula for the standard deviation is equal to summation x square over n minus x bar square under root. So by putting the value of standard deviation as given in the question statement, we have 1.2 equal to summation x square over n minus x bar square under root. Squaring both sides, we get 1.2 square equal to summation x square over n minus x bar square. By putting the value of x bar as we have calculated in part A is equal to 15.5. After simplification, we get summation x square over 12 equal to 1.2 square plus 15.5 square. After simplification, we get summation x square equal to 2900.28. Standard deviation of all 32 members will be summation x square plus summation y square over 32 minus mean age of the 32 members square, as we have calculated in part A. So by putting the value of the summation x square plus summation y square 32 as we have calculated in the above step, and the average age of the 32 members are 34.25 as we have calculated in part A. So after simplification, standard deviation is equal to 16.02. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by senior A level teacher. Wish you good luck for your exam.